Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Zapier integrations easy tutorial step by step clearly. To install Zapier integrations, begin by logging into your Zapier account. Once logged in, click on the Make a Zap button located at the top right corner of the dashboard. You will be presented with a new page where you can start creating your integration. First, choose the app you want to connect as your trigger app. Search for the app in the search bar and click on it. Next, select the trigger event you want to automate. Click on Continue to proceed after choosing your trigger event. Now, connect your account for the selected app by clicking on Sign Into App Name. Follow the on-screen instructions to authenticate your account. After successful authentication, select the account you just connected and click Continue. Set up the required parameters for your trigger. Once everything is configured, click on Test Trigger to ensure it's working correctly. If the test is successful, click on Continue to move to the next step. Now you'll choose the Action app to complete your integration. Search for the Action app you want to connect and select it. Just like before, choose the action event you want to automate and click Continue. Connect your account for the Action app by signing in as you did for the Trigger app. Configure the action settings according to your requirements. Once you've set everything up, click on Test Action to ensure the integration works. If the test is successful, click Continue to finalize your workflow. Give your Zap a name to easily identify it later. Finally, turn on your Zap by clicking on the toggle switch at the bottom of the page. Your Zapier integration is now successfully installed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.